If y'all know anything about me, y'all know I come to bring a little levity to the situation. What we dealing with is very serious, right? But we about to have a little fun. Yo, I created this song in a very, very down time of my life. So what I'm about to give y'all is anybody who's out there in the crowd and you're going through something or you have been through something. You know how you be at the lowest of your lows, but when you come out of the lowest of your lows, you have like a downpour. So that's the basis for this song. So I'm gonna introduce my band. The band's been doing so well tonight, and you know, they've been doing real well. And you know, and you got some lovely ladies. So we about to get into it. Just track along with me. If you feel led to move, please move. I don't want you to be restricted in your seats because y'all been listening all night, right? But, you know, sometimes it gets a little tough, so I created this. Let's go! Yeah! This right here is for those who are going through something. He's got a message for you. Pushing the limits, I can only focus on me. It's the pain and the strife, but sometimes it's all I see. Trying to move through this life, I'm navigating no fair. It seems I'm always in second base. I'm trying to compare, but it's the pain that's inside that has me moving away. I'm just drowning myself with no place I try to stay, but it's the mix of the pain that has me caught in despair. I'm always crying to him like he doesn't even care. Let's go!
No matter what you are going through, mercy's available. He has a downpour. Open your eyes and see pain is temporary. Love is available. He has a downpour.
The second verse is me, feeling my pain. Going through sometimes my mind, it feels I'm going insane. I'm still traveling, but the road is so hollow. I want the narrow road, but someone please get me in control. Pushing my way through this life, I cry out in my pain, but sometimes I'm moving in situations I'm facing no gain. Please put my life in stance. Please take over for me, God. Punching that concrete pillows, hoping I can fix the facade.
No matter what you
I go, come on.
Mercy's available.
Guess what? He has a downpour.
Open your eyes and see.
Pain is only temporary. Love is
available. He has a downpour.
Follow me on the trail. Sometimes I cannot lead. I keep my eyes open, but really I cannot see. Please take my pain away. I give it all to you. Blessings and praise go to God. That's just what he do. It's the man on the cross that hung for my sins. Guarantee nobody's ever gonna be a better friend. So I say these words to you. No matter where you are, understand the downpour. It's not very far. No matter
what you
let's go.
I'm
going through. Hey.
Mercy's available.
Guess what?
He has a downpour.
Open your eyes.
And see.
Pain is only
temporary.
He has a downpour.
Available. He has a downpour.
Yeah.
No matter what you
come on.
are going through.
Yeah.
Mercy's available.
He has a downpour. Yeah.
Open your eyes and see.
Let's go. I'm about to kick it to my guitarist. Prince William. Prince William. Hey. Yeah.
He has a downpour.
Come on. You gotta understand, no matter what you're going through, outside of that situation, he has a downpour. Just like the lady with the oil running over. He can fill your cup and keep on filling it. And keep on filling it. And keep on filling it. And just if you didn't hit a hook, I'm gonna get the band and string it out for me and let the lady sing to y'all a little bit.
No matter what you are going through, mercy's available. He has a downpour. Open your eyes and see. Pain is temporary.
One more time. One more time.
He has a
That's what it says. Open your. Guess what?
Are going through.
Guess what?
Mercy's available.
He has
a downpour.
Open your eyes.
Open your eyes and see.
Pain is only
temporary.
Love is available.
Love is available.
And I'm about to get it to the band.
He has a
let's go. Yes. Come on. Yeah.
He has a
There's
downpour.
4 little girls right now who are out there on the street corner. Those Y'all gotta understand, when I wrote this song, I meant it. He has the, let's go. Yeah. Come on. It's not about y'all sitting in seats right now. It's never been about y'all. There's some little girl that's getting traffic right now. She has to understand that he loves her.
He has the down.
Yeah. Let's go.